Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add neon effect on text using custom CSS and Divi theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add neon effect with glow. Now you see text we are using. So click on it. So this is our text Divi theme, and then you see adding H1. Now you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see custom CSS, so click on it. So we are going to add CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see root, and then you see glow, so you can add color scheme according to requirement. Now you see, and then you see selector H1. So we are using adding H1, so you can add H1, H2 paragraph according to requirement. And then you see text shadow, so you can adjust this number according to requirement, text shadow according to requirement, and you can add glow color scheme according to requirement, and then click on save changes. So click on update. So we are using Divi theme. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page, and then you see neon glow effect on text in Divi theme using custom CSS. So you can add color scheme according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.